Hey guys, and welcome to this extreme deep clean and undecorate from Valentine's Day with me. If you're new here, first of all, welcome. My name is Bella and I am the mom of one little toddler, and I love making all of these motherhood motivation type videos, all the cleaning, decorating, organizing, and decluttering. Just finished a huge decluttering series on my channel. If you're into that, I would encourage you to go check that out. And this is going to be part one, where I'm going to be undecorating the living room and the kitchen and giving it a really thorough deep clean, because I feel like when the decorations are up, it's really hard to clean around them. I don't want to knock anything over, so I end up just kind of surface level cleaning. But this, I'm going to be cleaning out the corners, and you will see just how much dust accumulates in the corners. It's honestly kind of gross. And then the next video will be part two, and that's going to be deep cleaning and undecorating my daughter's bedroom and our bedroom as well. So stay tuned for that. Make sure your notifications are turned on, because that one's going to be super motivating as well. Right now I'm undecorating our entertainment center, and after I pack everything up, I'm going to really thoroughly deep clean these shelves and everything. And I usually just use paper towels to wrap everything up. I'm sure that you saw in my Christmas video I did the same thing. And I'm actually going to have to go and get another bin. I didn't think that I was going to have to buy another bin for Valentine's Day, but turns out I am going to have to, because I haven't packed up any of my daughter's stuff or our stuff, and I know that it won't fit all into these bins because they were barely closing by the time I was done with them. And that's something that's gonna hopefully be coming up soon for us. We're hoping to get a bigger storage unit, and then that will make everything easier. And I would definitely make a video out of that too. Let me know if you want to see it. It would be some extreme decluttering and organizing. I would have everything on a tracking system. It would be super satisfying. While you're watching today, let me know if you decorated for Valentine's Day, and if you did, let me know when you're undecorating, because I'm hoping to decorate for spring really soon, hopefully this weekend, and hopefully that video will be coming up on my channel really soon. And I know that one will be really pretty because I just got a bunch of decor and I did film it, and I filmed a little haul, so you're going to be seeing that soon. And I think that this is going to be one of the prettiest looks so far from this house. I'm not used to using a lot of plants, but I did get a lot of plants for spring this year, and I'm so excited to make that work. It's all the pretty spring colors. So again, make sure that you stay tuned for that, because that one's going to be coming up hopefully really soon. And also you'll be able to see all the decor. And I'm going to tell you right now, if you stick around till the end, there is a little surprise in that decor video, that decor haul and shop with me. So make sure you're sticking around and turning on your notifications. Right now I'm packing up the stuff from the desk, and I think that you can tell just how full that bin is getting. I'm already running out of room in this, and I just have one more bin, which is on the other table. And I ended up kind of having to pack things and then repacking things, so just plan ahead. Maybe grab an extra bin when you're undecorating, just in case. I don't know, it's a pro tip. I should have done that. I'm going to listen to myself next time. Now I'm undecorating the fireplace, and I will just tell you, the idea that I have for this space in spring is so exciting to me. I'm looking forward the most to the fireplace, and I have some creative new ideas that I am so excited to share with you. And also, let me know if you decorate for spring and when you are going to decorate for spring. I would love to know in the comments. This is what I mean by the thorough deep clean. I'm going to wipe out this entire alcove because it just gets so dusty, and that's something that I would encourage you to do whenever you undecorate any space. Just quickly wipe it down before you redecorate it.
Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it.
Next, I'm moving on to our end tables. These also get super dusty for whatever reason. I feel like I wipe these down pretty often, but they still get dusty. Maybe they just show the dust more because they are white, and honestly, that's probably why, but I love them and I wouldn't have them any other way. I think it just brightens up the space, and I'm going to be wiping down our shoe bench as well. Now to pack up my Valentine's Day tiered tray, and honestly I was so sad doing this because I think this is one of my favorite tiered tray looks that I've ever done. It was the first time that I tried to do a more complicated one, and I just loved how it turned out, and I'm going to be looking forward to seeing it next year. But that's kind of how decorations are, where they're kind of like old friends and you see them once a year, and it makes it more special that way. Here are one of those corners that I was talking about when I say they get super dusty. You wouldn't even imagine how much dust was in this corner over here, and I had to wipe over it a couple times because there was something sticky, or maybe it was just like caked on dirt. I'm sorry to say that, that is super gross, but it just accumulates in these corners and they just don't get cleaned because the decor is there and stuff. And I'm looking forward to my spring deep clean because I'm taking everything off of the countertops and I'm going to wipe these down. I'm going to sanitize, disinfect everything, and it's going to be super satisfying, and also it's going to make me feel so much better. So I would definitely recommend tuning in for that one if you need some extreme motivation, because I'm going to be climbing up on these countertops. I'm going to be disinfecting everything. It's going to be a whole production around here. Here's the other corner that was seriously just disgusting. It was where the tiered tray was, if you're new here, and there was so much dirt. Like, there was a visible dirt on my cleaning rag when I was done. I was like, ew.
Let's just waste away. One more time is all we need. A bitter truth to face, not that innocent. We know what we did. I'm a sucker for your love.
Now for the dining room table, it honestly wasn't even that bad. I just wanted to wipe it down because I was wiping down everything else, but the scent honestly smelled so good. I'm still using the Mrs. Meyer's rose scent, and I'm going to use this until it runs out. And I had to unload the dishwasher because I hadn't done that today, so I thought that I would do some everyday cleaning motivation as well. And it wasn't too bad. It wasn't piled in like I think one of the last times you saw this, where I didn't even know if everything was gonna wash. But then after I'm done unloading this dishwasher, I'm seriously just about to load it right back up because there are a ton of dishes in the sink. in the comments, can you let me know if you do dishes every night, or is it like every other night for you guys? How often do you run your dishwasher? Sometimes I feel like I run it too often, but I'm constantly trying to gauge if I'm running it too often or not running it enough to get the dishes clean. So just let me know in the comments, and also let me know how big your family is too, because I consider us a pretty small family of 3, and I still feel like I have to run my dishwasher all the time.
Now it looks like acting, like we were fiction in a book. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go.
And here's what I'm talking about, having to fill the dishwasher right back up. It's laundry and dishes, guys. It just never ends.
And trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm wrong. I got it. I gotta go, go, go. Running to better times. Go, go, go. From my emotions, I'll go, go, go. Running to better times.
I'm gonna let these cookie jars air dry and then put them with the Valentine's Day stuff later, just because I don't know if they're dishwasher safe. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, please make sure that you subscribe and turn your notifications on so you don't miss a single video. Bye, beauties!
Look to the right. Nothing can stop me. Nothing can stop